Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy soup. First, gather your ingredients. Always begin with fresh, high-quality produce and proteins to ensure the best possible flavor. Next, build a strong flavor base by sautéing aromatics such as onions, garlic, and celery until they are fragrant and softened. This step is crucial for developing depth. Finally, select a rich, flavorful broth or stock as the liquid foundation for your soup, ensuring it complements your chosen ingredients. To enhance your soup's flavor, introduce herbs and spices early in the cooking process. This allows their essential oils to release and meld with other ingredients, creating a harmonious taste. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. Next, add a variety of vegetables, ensuring a mix of textures and colors. Root vegetables, leafy greens, and legumes all contribute unique qualities. Remember to simmer your soup gently. This slow cooking process is key for flavors to fully develop and deepen. Before serving, always taste and adjust your seasonings. A pinch more salt, a dash of pepper, or a squeeze of lemon can significantly brighten the flavors. For added richness and a velvety texture, consider incorporating a creamy element like heavy cream, coconut milk, or a swirl of Greek yogurt. Finally, elevate your soup's presentation and taste with a thoughtful garnish. Fresh herbs, toasted croutons, a drizzle of olive oil, or a sprinkle of cheese can make a big difference. Proper storage is essential for enjoying your delicious soup later. Allow your soup to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, consider freezing individual portions. This allows you to enjoy homemade soup for up to 3 months. When reheating, do so gently on the stove top or in the microwave until heated through. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax while enjoying your soup, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.